Hey guys, welcome back. All right, so today I'm going to go ahead and review the February Yes Oh Yes box. Now, I would have totally done this in February, except that I had so much things to review that between life itself and trying to get videos up, edited, and reviewed, I just honestly did not have the time to do this until now. So, I do have March's box coming. So you're basically getting 2 for 1 here. So this is February's box, so just keep that in mind. So I am a brand new subscriber to them. I went ahead and subscribed because they seem to really be getting bigger and doing a lot for their subscribers. So I figured, you know what, it's time to subscribe and see what they're really all about. So in this one, I got a heat-powered renewal mask. This is the box. This is a full size. And I've never tried this actual product before. However, I did do a little bit of research on it, and it looks great. So this is the bottle itself. And then when you open it, that's what it looks like. So now if you want me to, I will use this and do a separate review on this if you would like. I just need to know if you guys want that. Just comment below and I will add that to my list of videos to make. So that's one of the items. The next item that I got is, let's see, it's in Chic Nude, and I believe this was a lip color. Yeah. Now I've noticed like a lot of subscription companies, and I don't know why, but a lot of them are doing nude colors. It must be a thing right now. As you can tell, I like my nude colors, but I also really like my darker colors. I'm using Crate Finds Miss Murder liquid lipstick, and then on top of it, I have a Urban Decay lip topper. So anyways, so this is Cherie Cosmetics, and it is in Chic Nude. And then I'm not sure if that'll grab that. Also, another thing is I'm working on my lighting setup. This whole setup right here with my lighting will be changing. So I will go ahead and do a swatch like this for you guys. It is a very pretty color. The formula seems great. So, very nude color, which is not a bad thing. So, that was the second thing that came. And then the most exciting thing, I think for me, that came was this. This is the Nova by Crown palette. So, this is the actual sleeve that's on it. It shows the back. If you would like me to swatch this in a separate video, I will, but again, you need to let me know in the comments below. So this is the outside and the back. Let me open her up. And then this is the palette itself, which is very pretty. Very pretty. Now the only thing that I did have to do when I did get this box was this little sticker that's right here was like all ski-wampied, and I'm the type of person where I have to, like, my OCD did not like that. So I sat there for about 20 minutes trying to perfect it. So, but I will swap this palette if there is interest. I will have several videos of complete swatches coming up. So if this is one of them that you would like to see, just let me know. So that is it for the February box. Now, March's box looks even better than this one. I'm very excited. I cannot wait to get it. And as soon as that box comes in, I will be doing a review. Pretty much, I'm going to be on top of it right away because, yeah, February just really got out of hand. So, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the Pomeranian if you're not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Love you.